The existence of wormholes has been pondered by physicists for decades, and unfortunately, we still have no way to prove they truly exist. However, recent groundbreaking universal theories have dove further and dug deeper to try and find out how far this rabbit hole really goes. This now raises the question of, can you survive the journey through a wormhole? Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, we first must consider what a wormhole really is, and more importantly, why their existence is still yet to be confirmed. I'm sure the term black hole is perhaps more recognizable since we have accepted the existence of these colossal space entities, so much so that we even have a photo of one. But just how do they work? In simple terms, they are born from the death of a ginormous star. They behave as if they have infinite gravitational pulls at their centers, often called the singularity, and we attribute this as most likely being due to a literal rip or breakage in space-time. So, what exactly does this have to do with wormholes, you may wonder? Well, a wormhole is the idea that this breakage of space-time may lead to a different part of the universe, kind of like a teleportation device, or even a gateway into another dimension. At this point in the video, you may be starting to wonder when the next flights are out, but unfortunately, we'll be requiring more than just a nice pair of jeans and a button-up for this cosmic travel. First of all, we have to consider what we should pack for the trip. We certainly will be requiring a gamma radiation-proof suit, since we should be expecting huge amounts of it due to emissions from the wormhole's accretion disk. Then, after packing our luggage for the first hotel, we should also make sure that our suit is resistant to temperatures up to 10 million degrees due to the heat of gas particles spinning around the wormhole at speeds near that of light. We also should be requiring a gravity-resistant suit to ensure that we don't get ripped apart atom by atom into a string of spaghetti. Now we have all our luggage packed, we are ready to make the trip. When passing the event horizon, which is the black hole's point of no return, you will start to see all matter and light turn a dim bluish color before being plunged into an expected darkness for a brief period. At this point, what you may find when you come out the other side is pretty well unknown. One possibility is that you may never come out at all, and you will just be floating through the wormhole forever in your fancy and overpriced suit. A more interesting case would be finding yourself in another universe altogether. Maybe you will start a family and be a pioneer for humans conquering the multiverse. Or perhaps you might just end up in a different part of our own universe, having mastered the art of interstellar travel. So, to answer our original question, can you survive the journey through a wormhole? You might just be able to.